all in the judges' hands now for Denasiha Christian. Can she close out her career as one of the most decorated gymnasts in Ball State history with a third straight Mid-American Conference title on floor? Emotion starting to pour out of her as well.
She's keeping her composure here. No tears from Christian yet. A 9.95 for Christian, and she takes the first place for the third year in a row.
Christian with a deep sigh of relief. You can see it on her face. Incredible. 3 times, 3 years in a row, Christian becomes the floor champion for Ball State.
Today, she is not tying for that title like she did last year. Today, it's all hers. 9.95. She is the only one to have that score tonight. And with that, she'll be on the podium by herself in the first place position.
Christian, a gymnast that took a risk coming to Muncie from Roanoke City, Virginia.
So, once upon a time, I was a beast. Undeniably, undoubtedly, and unquestionably a freaking beast. And not because of my stats and my recognition that I received as a college athlete, but because of my mentality as a college athlete and the expectation to show up for myself and for my team. So what I'm trying to figure out is, at what point in time did I decide that I wasn't that person anymore? And that discipline and consistency was hard for me? Ooh, shit. It was a decision, wasn't it? Whether I allowed myself to use circumstances or busy schedules or stress to be the reason for that decision, it technically was a decision, and I consciously made it for myself nonetheless. I guess the good news is that this means that it was totally in my control, which means it still is totally in my control. And if I decided to change that belief about myself, that consistency is hard, and for whatever reason, I struggle to be disciplined, I think that maybe I can be a badass again and be consistent and be disciplined. Can y'all believe that I've been struggling since 2016 to find the key to my success in my fitness journey and to be this body goals girl and all of these things? And I really sat here and figured it out while trying to create an intro for this video. God, that's so annoying.
I don't wanna collab, no, unless I hit you up.
Hey guys, so before we go any further, I do have to pause and give a shout out to today's collaborative sponsor, which is MeCare, who sent me something I never knew I needed. Actually, I knew I needed it, but I didn't know it existed. And now I know, and now my life has forever been changed. And all that it is this Essentials gym holder, which allows me to film my content in the gym so much easier than what I have been doing. Okay, so basically it comes in 2 pieces. It's very easy to snap together. You have the top piece, which is the phone holder. You have the bottom piece, which is the magnet. The magnet I was nervous about. I wasn't trying to be filming and my phone falling and embarrassing me and people be like, look at that girl in the gym filming. But no, the magnet is extremely strong and it stays where you put it. What I didn't realize was that it was gonna be as easy to use and customizable in a way to the size of your phone. And it comes with these 2 little step stools, these little feet that are going to hold your phone. It is cushioned, so it's not going to be scratching your phone up or anything like that. But then it also has these 2 pieces on the side that when you click the buttons, it's like a little rocket ship, like a little technology thing that just opens up to the size of your phone. I do have a discount code for 10% off if you're interested, and it's already affordable, so that's really awesome. So look down in my description box, check it out, give it a look-see, and follow me on Instagram so you can see some of the content that I've been doing with it. While we finish the rest of this video about my fitness journey and my mentality behind it, all of the footage that was filmed was in the gym by using the MeCare phone holder. So let me know what you think if you try it out.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my. Ex-strippers, new killers, shot. Tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. All summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior Watanabe on my. Junior Watanabe on my. Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my. I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my. 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took off, we took off, we took off, we took off. One in Atlanta, now Montana. Excuse my manners, I got standards. Excuse my manners, I got standards. I got status. You want status? See more comments, and I see commas. They going down me, we going down to. Let me be honest. Let me be honest. I won with the Bucks, boy.
Hey guys, so because I know this video's format is a little different, I do want to end it off with just a little bit of clarity. Basically, this is me turning a new leaf, a new old leaf, whatever. This is just me stepping into my power and taking more accountability for my fitness journey. It is really not about body goals or anything like that. I do have body goals. I do have goals that I want to achieve in the gym, but that's not what it's about. It's about the mentality. It's about making a decision to keep promises to myself and be my best self in terms of fitness. But obviously, well, I don't know if it's obvious to you guys, but it's obvious to me that this is a theme in my life right now of just showing up and showing out for myself. The amount of effort and attention that I give to other people and other things in my job, I want to give to my fitness journey. I want to give to my YouTube channel. I want to give to my business. Like, there's no reason why I'm not doing those things other than me convincing myself that I can't, or just making excuses, essentially. So I think I will be bringing my fitness journey over to YouTube. I've been teetering on that for a really long time. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, most of my workout, fitness, food content is over there. But I think it's a safe decision to shift it over here as well. So if you have any questions, if you have any encouragements, or you need some encouragement, just let me know. Leave a comment down below. Thank you for your time and your energy with today's video. Don't forget to check my description box for links to the MeCare phone holder for your workouts and your content. And as always, guys, thank you so much for taking time to watch my video. And as always, don't forget to check in and subscribe to yourself before you subscribe to me or anybody else. But if you're good and you're good, then you can subscribe to my channel as well. See you guys next time.
Ain't nobody around